Precision Optics has been coming to Photonics West for years. Now they're showcasing a groundbreaking system, small in size but big in image quality, in a single-use device.
We're introducing a new product line, the Unity Imaging Platform, to introduce along with our other regular offerings. It's a medical-oriented imaging platform that comes out of the box really with a pedigree for medical device and medical application compatibility. There are a number of sources for commercial off-the-shelf cameras and demo kits that give you the visualization and maybe a little bit of image tuning, but they don't have the pedigree to get through the rigorous testing. We have in our demonstrator a system that out of the box connects, in this particular case, through USB 3 with a UVC format, so that can be directly plugged into a laptop and you're off and running. So if you know a lot about your procedure, you don't have to know a lot about the video path or how to specify and architect it. And here we have, in a notional medical application, it's 1.5 millimeter diameter stainless steel hypo tube with 120 degree angle illumination fibers working with the OCHFA, which itself is a 120 degree field of view.
And on the smaller end of the Unity platform is the 400 by 400 pixel OCHTA. It's a union between functionality and affordability.
This can really get into very small spaces that might be typical of neurosurgery or some other highly space-constrained type application. And we're showing the capability that even just 400 by 400 micron pixel today in where everyone's looking for more and more pixels, give me 4K, give me 8K. I think people often lose sight of how much information can be derived from a smaller type of image sensor. Because really the key is getting the best outcome for the patient at the most economical price point so you can reach the most patients.
Aside from the impressive Unity line, Precision Optics' core capabilities lie in micro-optics and large optics, specializing in flat optics as small as 50 microns and other offerings as large as more than 150 millimeters.
Our micro-optics capability and our larger optics capability allow us to provide medical imaging applications and defense applications at a system level, at whatever scale and whatever level of quality that you need. We have a price competitive way to solve that for you. So whether or not you're going into a next round and looking for a replacement source for somebody that may have fallen out of competitiveness with you, can bring your product back into competitiveness with what we bring.
To learn more about the Unity line and optic solutions from Precision Optics, go to poci.com. You can also email your questions to sales@poci.com.